Hello everyone, this is Neha Talwar from Learn Science with Neha, and today me and Garvit are with you with another episode of Magic with Logic. Hello Garvit, how are you?
I am like a balloon today.
Oh wow, you are like a balloon. That means you are chirpy. I have heard you're performing few experiments and tricks with us with balloon.
Yes.
Oh nice. So what do you want for that Garvit? What are you doing?
I will prick the balloon, it will not go.
Oh wow, that's magic. How will you do that Garvit? What do you need?
One pin.
You require one pin. So I have got this yellow pin which might match your balloon. Tell me. Okay, you are pricking it slowly. Wow! Look! A magic which Garvit has done. He has pricked this balloon, but it is not popped. Can you tell me why? Now it comes the logic. When you inflate the balloon, the pressure is equally distributed all around. And when you prick it, air will receive, air will get an area from where it can exit. But right now, Garvit has sealed this with an adhesive tape. So when you seal it and prick it, air will not get any space to move out. That's why this balloon will not pop. So here comes a logic behind this magic. See you soon with the next experiment now. Now we are here with another simple experiment for which we require just colored water, candle and a glass bottle. What I will do, I will light this candle and put this glass bottle over the candle. You will see a magic. All the colored water will rise up. Let me show you how I do. I am lighting this candle. Garvit, can you please put this bottle over it inverted?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, please do that. Thank you. Carefully. Okay. You will see slowly candle will stop burning and the level of water will rise. Have you seen this magic? It's so beautiful. Now comes the logic, why it happened. The logic is when I burn candle requires oxygen. But I have put this bottle over it. I have cut off the supply of oxygen till the candle. So candle will consume whatever available oxygen is there in the bottle. Now air becomes warm. Whatever small amount of air is left, it will become warm, it will become light, it will rise up and a vacuum will be there. To fill that vacuum, the water will move from high pressure towards low pressure and will rise up. So this is the logic why the water rises up behind the magic which Garvit has just done. We will come up with a next experiment for you. So I'm here with another fun experiment. I am with Garvit's favorite balloon. So Garvit, can you tell me what will happen if I put this balloon over the flame?
It will burst.
Okay, but I'll show you a magic. It will not burst. Can you tell me how?
How?
Okay, just hold it please. I will burn this candle and I will roll this balloon over the candle. Even then it will not burst. Just see the magic of it. So, thank you. So this is a balloon. I am rolling it over. Can you see this line coming?
Yes.
Oh, but it is not bursting, Garvit. I have created a craft over it, but it did not burst. See the magic? So now, then blow it please. Let us celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday, Garvit.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have got logic behind this magic. So logic is, I have put some water in the balloon. If you put this balloon over the flame, this rubber will melt and the balloon will burst. But now since we have got water in between, water will absorb all the heat of the flame and will not allow the rubber to melt. So that's why the balloon will not burst. So this was a fun experiment which you all can do. We are done with our episode of today. Hope you liked our video. Please do like, share and
Subscribe on my channel.
yes, and do press the bell icon to get the regular updates and our regular videos. Do share your comments in our comment box below. Stay tuned, be in touch. Bye.
Bye.